In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify orders on Metatrader 5. First, open Metatrader 5 on your computer so you're looking at your charts and the main workspace. Make sure you're connected to your trading account and the market is visible. That way you can see live prices while you adjust your order. Next, press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. This opens the toolbox panel at the bottom of the platform. The toolbox is where you'll manage positions, check exposure, and view account history. If it was already open, the shortcut simply brings your focus there. Inside the toolbox, click the Trade tab. This tab lists your active market positions as well as any pending orders. Take a moment to identify the exact order you want to change by checking the symbol, the current price, and any existing stop loss or take profit values. Now, right-click on the order you want to modify. A context menu appears with several management options. Choose Modify or Delete. This opens the order window used for making changes. Don't worry about the word delete here. You'll still have the option to modify without removing the order. In the order window, edit the fields you need: symbol, type, price, stop loss, and take profit. Depending on the order and your broker's rules, some fields may be read only. For market positions, you'll usually adjust stop loss and take profit. For pending orders, you can typically adjust the entry price as well. Stop loss defines where your trade will close to cap risk if price moves against you. Take profit defines where your trade will close to secure gains. Be mindful of minimum distance requirements. If your stop or target is too close to the current market price, MT5 may show an invalid stops message. Nudge the values a little farther away if that happens. Also keep an eye on the price format and number of decimals so your levels are precise. When your changes look correct, click Modify. You should see a confirmation in the toolbox and your order line will update to reflect the new stop loss, take profit, or price. If you encounter an error, double-check that the market is open, your internet connection is stable, and your levels respect the broker's minimum distance. That's it. You've successfully modified your order in Metatrader 5. Practice on a demo account to build confidence and then apply the same steps on your live account when you're ready.